Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Starting with the great name of Allah, who is the most merciful and the most beneficent. Dear students, we have already read unit number 1, Antarctica and the South Pole. We have done answer questions of this unit. Before starting our next lecture, I would like to give a few information about Antarctica. Antarctica, the southernmost continent and site of the South Pole, is a virtually uninhabited ice-covered land mass. It holds most of the world's fresh water. It has active volcanoes. It is windy. It is known as polar desert, as there is no human life. The first person who reached Antarctica was Roald Amundsen. Due to its inhospitable weather conditions, there is no human population here. Now coming towards our present lecture, it is based upon grammar. What is grammar? How can you define grammar? Grammar is actually the set of those basics, rules, regulations, and principles which we have to learn for learning a new language. Grammar is a set of rules, regulations for learning a language. Now, page number 6, unit number 1, grammar, capital letters and full stops. Where we have to use capital letters and where we have to use full stops. A capital letter is used to begin a sentence for languages and nationalities, for titles of books or films, for the name of a person, place, day or month, for the name of a special day or festival, for the letter I when used on its own. Now, coming towards the explanation, whenever we start a sentence in written form, we have to use the first letter as capital. We have to start the names of languages and nationalities with capital letters, that is English starting with E, Urdu starting with capital U. Nationalities means Muslim, Sikh, Hindu, Muslim starting with M, Hindu started with H, capital H, and Sikh started with capital S. For titles of books or films, Holy Quran, H and Q must be capital. Films, The Night Rider, Night ka N or Rider ka R should be capital. For the name of a person, place, day or month, person, Quaid-e-Azam, Q and A should be capital. Karachi, K should be capital. Day, Monday, M should be capital. Month, January, J should be capital. For the name of a special day or festival, special day, Independence Day, I should be capital, D should be capital. Festival, Eid al-Fitr, E should be capital and F should be capital. For the letter I, we use it on its own. Whenever we use I for ourselves, we have to use it as a capital letter. And when we use full stop, a full stop is used to end a sentence. Whenever we finish a sentence, we end a sentence, we have to use full stop. It's a single dot. Its symbol is a single dot. Question A, proofread this paragraph very carefully. Rewrite it in your copy. Students, keep it in your mind that you have to do practice of this paragraph in your rough notebook, not in your books. Keep it in your mind. It is strictly prohibited. You have not to write a single word in your books. Okay? So, next year, my parents are sending me to a place called the Academy in Paris to study for the year. See here, bache, the sentence is started from next. So, end of next should be capital. Next year, my parents are sending me to a place called the Academy in Paris. Paris ka P should be capital. to study for the year. Full stop. Year के बाद full stop. I will go to school there and stay in a hostel. Okay, here I will. I should be capital. I will go to school there and stay in a hostel. So I am. Here I should be capital once again. I am going to improve my French. F of French should be capital. French के बाद full stop. I don't know anybody there. I should be capital. Yet I am hoping to make a lot of new friends. Full stop. My cousin Jane went last year. My ka M should be capital. My cousin Jane. Jane ka J should be capital. Went last year and she loved every minute of it. Full stop. We visited her on Independence Day. We का W बच्चे capital कर ली. Independence Day. Independence का I capital. Day का D capital. And it seemed like a really nice place. Full stop. My parents have promised to visit me at the weekend. My ka M capital कर ली. My parents have promised to visit me at the weekend and we will be able to go out for lunch. Full stop. I am both nervous and excited. I capital कर ली. About my new adventure. Adventure के बाद बच्चे full stop कर ले. Now students, what you have to do? You have to write the paragraph in your rough notebook as it is in the book. And then you have to make these certain changes which I have already taught to you people. Coming to the next line, next year my parents are sending me to a place called the Academy in Paris to study for the year. यहाँ पे देखिए इस सेंटेंस में next का N भी कैपिटल किया गया है, पेरिस का B भी कैपिटल किया गया है और year के बाद full stop लगाया गया है. Okay बच्चे, coming towards capital letters. Capital letters are always used for names and titles of people. Names and titles of people के लिए भी हम capital letters use करते हैं. For example, Dr. Mary White. Doctor का D, Mary का M और White का W हमने capital किया है यहाँ पे. A particular place, New York, N और Y capital. An institution, Trinity College, T or C capital. Or an event, the World Cup, W or C capital. Now coming towards exercise B. Coming towards exercise B, rewrite the sentences using capital letters and full stops. Sentence number 1 is listen, Abdurrahman, focus on your study. Focus on the lecture I am delivering to you. Do not create disturbance. Okay, sentence number 1. The President of the United States of America is a very powerful person. See here, the President. D का T capital कर ले. United States of America. United का U capital. States का S capital. America का A capital. Is a very powerful person. Person के बाद full stop. Sentence number 2. When our house flooded last winter, we had to call the Insurance Corporation of England. When का W capital कर ले. फिर आ जाएं Insurance Corporation of England. Insurance का I capital कर ले. Corporation का C capital कर ले. England का E capital कर ले. और England के बाद एक full stop लगा ले. Sentence number 3. There is a flight from Dubai to London every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. There का T capital कर ले, दुबई का D capital कर ले, लंदन का L capital कर ले, मंडे का M, वेडनेसडे का W और फ्राइडे का F. ये capital कर ले. Sentence number 4. When I am older, I hope to study in University College Cork. when का W कैपिटल कर ले, I का I कैपिटल कर ले, फिर I कैपिटल कर ले, यूनिवर्सिटी का U कैपिटल, कॉलेज का C कैपिटल, कॉर्प का C कैपिटल, आखिर में फुल स्टॉप. Sentence number 5. Many shops in the Pakistan don't open on Sundays. Many का M कैपिटल कर ले, पाकिस्तान का P कैपिटल कर ले और Sundays का S कैपिटल करके full stop लगा ले. Every September, the hockey final takes place in Royal Park. Every का E should be capital, September का S should be capital, hockey का H should be capital, final का F should be capital, royal का R should be capital, and park का P should be capital. So this is a sort of practice for you people, that whenever you start a sentence, you write the name of a country, of a place, of a person, of an event. You have to use capital letters, and at the end of the sentence, you have to put full stop. The symbol of a full stop is single dot. Capital letters and full stops are often used to shorten long phrases. These are called abbreviations. You people are aware of abbreviations. Abbreviations are actually the short forms of long phrases. For example, United States of America, U.S.A, और इसके आखिर में भी यहाँ पे आप लोग देखिए, यहाँ पे एक डॉट लगाया गया है. ठीक है? Coming towards the exercise C, abbreviate the following. Health Service Executive, H.S.E, फिर full stop लगाया गया है. The second one is United Kingdom, U.K और K के बाद भी आप लोगों ने full stop लगाना है. Civil Aviation Authority, Civil Aviation Authority, S.A.A और फिर full stop. Pakistan Television, P.T.V. Unidentified flying object, U.F.O और फिर full stop. 6 number, National Bank of Pakistan, N.P.P, फिर full stop. Okay, the next one is digital radio disc. Digital radio disc, D.V.D, फिर full stop. European Union, E.U, फिर full stop. Journal Post Office, G.P.O, फिर full stop. United Nations Organizations, U.N.O, फिर full stop. Listen बच्चे, who is V2043? Send your name and section, kindly send your name and section V2043. Okay, bachche. So this whole page of grammar was included with capital letter and full stop. Where we use capital letter, where we have to use full stop. This page was consisted of these things. I hope you people have learned about capital letters and full stop. Keep it in your mind, bache. Once again, I am going to deliver that you have to do all these exercises in your rough notebooks, not in your books. I'm going to tell you that write the paragraph and the sentences from the book in your rough notebooks as these are. Then you have to make certain changes in your rough notebooks where changes are needed. Now, coming towards the next topic, that is word study. Unit number 1, page number 7, word study. Exercise A is comprehension. Comprehension. Similes make interesting comparisons. What do these similes mean? First of all, try to learn
how we define a simile. Simile is actually a comparison between two different things using the word as or like. Simile क्या है? Simile दो मुख्तलिफ चीजों के दरमियान एक मुआजना है जहां पर हम as या like के वर्ड यूज करते हैं. फिर से सुनिए, simile is an indirect comparison between two different things due to the similarity of a common quality. अब यहाँ पे आप लोगों से क्या पूछा जा रहा है? आप लोगों से पूछा जा रहा है कि इन similes का मतलब क्या है? ठीक है, पहला है she sings like an angel. It means that she has a lovely singing voice. अब पहले सेंटेंस में आप देखिए यहाँ पे लाइक का वर्ड यूज हुआ है ना, शी को और एंजल को कंपेयर किया गया है. एक लड़की को और एक एंजल को कंपेयर किया गया है. किस चीज की मदद से? उसकी सुरीली आवाज की मदद से. तो शी और एंजल दो डिफरेंट चीजें हैं और इनको कंपेयर किया गया है सिंगिंग वॉइस की मदद से. तो इसका मतलब है कि शी हैज अ लवली सिंगिंग वॉइस. सेकेंड इज it fits like a glove. It fits like a glove means it is perfectly fit. Third one is this is like watching grass grow. Grass grow means when you spend your time watching the growing of grass. So it means that this is very slow process. This is very slow process. He babbles like a brook means he talks silly. अहमकाना तौर से बातें करता है. He was out like a light. The speed of light. He was out like a light means he went out very quickly. He went out with great speed. Now, exercise B, vocabulary. Choose the two words or phrases that mean the same as those in the table. यहाँ पे आप लोगों को एक एक वर्ड दिया गया है और उस वर्ड से रिलेटेड आप लोगों ने इस रेक्टेंगल से दो दो फैक्ट्स लेने हैं और उनके सामने लिखने हैं जो सूटेबल हो. फॉर एग्जांपल, मनी के आगे लिखा गया है कैश एंड करेंसी. थिक. थिक मींस लॉस्ट ऑफ लेयर्स एंड चंकी. teeming. Teeming means full of, bursting with. Number 4, huddle, gather together, bunch off, bunch up. Explorer, searcher, adventurer. Searcher, तलाश करने वाला. Adventurer, मुहिम जो. Prevent, stop, don't allow. Okay, students, I am going to share an information with you. We are going to hand over you a booklet at this weekend, which will consist details and worksheets of all subjects. English subject will consist of written words, meanings, word sentences, question answers, and similes. While in worksheet, you are asked to write meaning of the words taken from the unit, use words and sentences taken from unit number 1, answer the questions based on the text you have read, and one exercise based question. You have to attempt this worksheet in your neat handwriting and then you have to return it to school. Similes, please explain the similes. Similes क्या है? Similes two different things के दरमियान comparison है एक खास quality की इश्तिराक की वजह से. मैंने आप लोगों से कहा ना, she sings like an angel. तो शी और एंजल को कंपेयर किया गया है सिंगिंग वॉइस की वजह से कि उसकी आवाज क्या है, उसकी आवाज बड़ी सुरीली है. कंपैरिजन मींस मुआजना, दो चीजों को एक दूसरे के साथ लाना, मुआजना करना. ठीक है, ये यहाँ पे सेम इनमें क्या है? इनमें सेम है सिंगिंग वॉइस, लवली सिंगिंग वॉइस. नाउ कमिंग टुवर्ड्स the question, the exercise C, word structure. Write the little string that fits all the words in each row. अब यहाँ पे जो क्वेश्चन है बच्चे, यहाँ पे आप लोगों को कुछ मिसिंग लेटर्स दिए गए हैं. इन सब में एक जैसे आ रहे हैं। देखिए फर्स्ट में है लीव्स, ये लीव्स है LEAVES, तो दूसरी में भी EAVE आ रहा है, तीसरी में भी EAVE आ रहा है, चौथी में भी EAVE आ रहा है, पांचवी में भी EAVE eavesdrops आ रहा है। इस तरह सेकंड में ATH आ रहा है, बाथ, फादर, बाथरूम, ब्रीथ, गैदर। तो इस तरह का लेटर स्ट्रिंग अगर आप लोगों को वर्कशीट में दिया जाए तो आप लोगों ने इस चीज का ख्याल रखना है। थैंक यू सो मच।